Happy anniversary, Telepreneur Corporation! Isang malaking thank you sa lahat ng mga TPC dealers, resellers, at partners na walang sawang sumusuporta at nagtitiwala sa atin mula noon hanggang ngayon. Dahil sa inyong sipag, tiyaga, at passion, patuloy tayong lumalago, mas maraming natutulungan, at mas malayo ang nararating ng Telepreneur Corporation family. Ngayong espesyal na araw, sama-sama nating ipagdiwang hindi lang ang ating mga achievements, kundi pati ang samahan, malasakit at teamwork na bumubuo sa TPC. Patuloy din nating suportahan ang isa't isa. Please continue to purchase and promote our Smart and TNT products sa lahat ng inyong suki customers para mas mapalago pa ang ating mga negosyo. Cheers to more years of success, kwentuhan at tagumpay. Dahil sa TPC, lahat posible.
Happy anniversary TPC! Isang masayang pagbati sa ating buong TPC family, sa ating mga dealers, resellers at partners na mula noon hanggang ngayon ay patuloy nagbibigay ng suporta at tiwala sa Smart at TNT. Dahil sa inyo, mas dumami ang ating suki at mas tumibay ang ating samahan. Ngayong TPC anniversary, hindi lang natin ipinagdiriwang ang ating mga achievements, kundi pati ang kwento ng pagtutulungan at tagumpay na ating binuo. Kaya tuloy-tuloy natin itaguyod ang ating negosyo, continue to purchase and promote our Smart and TNT products sa lahat na inyong suki customers para lalo pang lumago ang TPC community. Mabuhay ang TPC! Cheers to more years of success, saya at samahan! Happy anniversary, TPC!
Good morning, TPC! On behalf of Hachiko Management, I would like to bid TPC a very happy 13th anniversary. We are thrilled to be part of this huge milestone. To all the BODs headed by Sir Lawrence and Ma'am Mariel, a big congratulations to all of you. Our partnership for 13 years only shows our true testament of our commitment to serving all of you. Again, makakaasa po kayo sa suporta ng Hachiko sa pag-abot po ng inyong mga pangarap. Again, congratulations and happy 13th anniversary!
Good morning, TPCians. This is Chris from Neptune Corporation. First of all, I want to share my favorite quote about partnership. So, a good partnership starts with a leap of faith. So, ganyan kami ni TPC and Neptune. So, we started around 5 years ago. Grabe yung challenges na pinagdaanan namin. Pero dahil sa pagtutulungan and sa cooperation, naitawid natin from minimal sales. Ngayon, lumalaki na. And for sure, lalaki pa yan lalo. Basta ituloy lang natin yung mga projects and initiatives para sa ating mga TPC members. So, lagi naman sa puso natin and sa isip ang dapat na nakikinabang sa effort ni TPC and mga brand partners ay ating mga members. No? So, happy 13th year anniversary, TPCians. I'm hoping and praying na tumagal palalo si TPC dahil marami talaga natutulungan ang kumpanyang TPC. No? And of course, sa founder ng TPC, Mayor Lawrence, President Mariel, VP Santi, VP Ana, VP Leo, and Chairman Dave, maraming salamat po sa tiwala kay Neptune. And sobrang saya namin na si TPC ay laging nandyan at lumalaki pa para mas marami pang matulungan na members. No? God bless and thank you. Ay mabuhay kayong lahat.
Good morning po. On behalf of the management and lahat po sa amin dito sa Signal, big congratulations to Telepreneur Corporation on your 13th anniversary. Since 2014, TPC has played such a vital role in bringing Signal closer to more customers nationwide. Through Hachiko Corporation, our partnership had grown even stronger over the years. Over the past year or so, you've seen the new strategic direction of Signal with new products and a fresh new identity. But with all of these, one thing has remained: our focus on delivering the best service to our customers and growing with partners like you. Thank you po to Mr. Lorenzo Reliosa, Ms. Mariel Astudillo, the TPC Board of Directors, and sa lahat po ng mga ka-TPC for your unwavering dedication and commitment. Here's to more years of growth and success. Happy anniversary!
On behalf of Signal TV and TV5, we'd like to extend our warmest congratulations on your 13th anniversary. We deeply appreciate your unwavering support and dedication over the past 3 years and helping promote and sell Sulit TV to all your members with the help of Neptune Corporation. Thank you for being a valuable partner in our journey, and we're looking forward to more fruitful partnership in the next years to come. Again, maraming salamat to Mayor Lorenzo Reliosa, President Mariel Astudillo, the rest of the TPC Board of Directors, and of course, to all of you mga ka-TPC.
To my TPC family, happy 13th anniversary. Over the years, you've been a steadfast partner of PCPay, and we deeply value the relationship we built together. While challenges may have come our way, PCPay remains committed in providing unwavering support and excellent service to TPC and its members. Your dedication inspires us, and we look forward for many more years of successful collaboration. Here's to continued growth and shared achievements. Happy anniversary!
Hi mga ka-telepreneur! This is Abby Cardino from Broadband Business sa Globe Telecom. Tama ba? It's been a year na naging magka-partner tayo with you guys, having us one of our very important partners. Katuwang namin sa pagbibenta ng GFiber Prepaid natin. Did you know na dahil sa tulong nyo, oh my God, actually na-achieve natin ang pagiging number 1 sa GFiber Prepaid. Right now, I think we have about 192 agents, hindi ba? Medyo konti pa lang ang productive agents natin, but diba there's no way but up. At tulong-tulong tayo, pagtulungan natin yung mga feedback or yung mga areas for improvements. Let us know rin how we can improve so that pareho tayo na-asenso, uunlad. Kasi hindi lang para sa atin actually, di ba? Para sa kababayan din natin. Kasi alam natin na ang internet, very important. At sa GFiber Prepaid, actually napatunayan natin na kung maganda ang produkto natin, nakakatulong siya sa kababayan kasi parang pangkabuhayan showcase nila. Besides, yung mga anak nila nakakapag-aral din, hindi ba? So, right now, I think meron tayong 426 activations ba yun, mga ka-telepreneur? So, imagine natin sa bawat isang benta sana natin, na maging productive pa tayo. Grabe, sobrang daming bahay ang mapapasaya natin at mapapaunlad. So, tulong-tulong tayo sa pag-asenso. At kayo aasenso, kami aasenso, at ang pinaka-importante, ang mga customers natin aasenso at uunlad dahil sa partnership natin. And congratulations also because I understand it's our 13th year anniversary. Sobrang galing kasi na-imagine nyo, ganyan rin kaganda ang telepreneur at ganun din kayo kagaling. Konti lang ang mga negosyo na tumatagal na more than 10 years, but you guys are here. So congratulations and hope to see you soon. Bye!
Happy 13th anniversary, TPC! More power and success to the entire TPC family! Cheers and God bless! Love from your LLIC family! Woo!
Happy 13th anniversary, TPC! Congrats on achieving another feather on your cap.
Happy 13th anniversary, TPC! Maraming salamat sa love and support sa amin. And more anniversary and blessing to us from Marketing Department. Oh! Happy anniversary, TPC! Cheers to 13 years! Mula dito sa Pinas, in TPC na yan! Happy 13th anniversary, TPC! We are proud to be part of your journey. More years to come from Logistics Department. Happy 13th anniversary, TPC! Isang dekada, 3 taon na malasakit, serbisyo at tagumpay. More years, more blessings, and more power to us all. From the Office of the President. Happy anniversary, TPC family!
Congratulations! 13 years ka nang tumutulong, nagbabahagi at nagpapabago ng buhay ng bawat TPC members.
Let's continue to grow, innovate, and inspire more Filipinos all around the world. One network, one company, one TPC.
And once again,
happy 13th anniversary and more years of success to come. From Marketing Department, TPC, TPC, TPC.
In behalf of our 91-year-old mother, Milagros Reliosa, and the whole Reliosa Benviaje clan, I would like to greet TPC on its 13th anniversary. Congratulations to our able and resilient BODs, Sir Dave, brothers Lawrence and Leo, Sister Mariel, Nephew Santi, Miss Anna, and Sir Alex. To our ever-loyal and persevering TPC members, and to our industrious and trustworthy employees. 13 years of ups and downs, but together they championed it all. Thanks to our God Almighty for always guiding and blessing them, especially during hard times of their journey. Once again, happy anniversary, TPC.
Happy anniversary, TPC, for 13 years.